Welcome back to East Coast Car Culture. Today we got a little clip for you guys on how what was supposed to be a beautiful weather, nice sunny drive out in like the scenic PA hills turned into taking a lowered Mark 6 GolfR down a rocky terrain, off-road type road for a couple miles. This is a short version. We put the clip down as much as possible. Enjoy some scenic views and how much fun it is to take a lowered car off-road unexpectedly. Hey guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. We're trying to grow the channel to get monetized so that we can start to bring you some more awesome content. Got a couple Mark 4 projects we want to do. I got a Mark 6 project I would love to do. We can make that possible with you guys. Thank you.